Hi, Anna. It's nice to talk to you again.
Hi, Tom. It's nice to talk to you too. How is your day going?
It's going well. I finally have some free time today.
That's great. Free time is always important.
Yes, it is. So today, we are talking about free time.
I like this topic because everyone enjoys free time in different ways.
That's true. Anna, what do you usually do in your free time?
When I have free time, I like to slow down and relax. I often read books or watch TV at home.
That sounds very comfortable. Do you usually stay at home in your free time?
Yes, most of the time. After a busy day, I enjoy staying at home and resting.
I understand. When I have free time, I like to do different things.
Really? What do you like to do?
Sometimes I go outside for a walk, especially when the weather is nice. Other times, I stay at home and listen to music or watch videos.
That sounds nice too. Do you spend your free time alone or with other people?
It depends. On weekdays, I usually spend my free time alone because I feel tired. On weekends, I like to spend time with friends.
That makes sense. What do you usually do with your friends?
We often have coffee together or eat out. Sometimes we just talk and enjoy the time together.
That's very natural. I think talking with friends is a good way to relax.
Yes, it helps me forget about work for a while. Anna, how do you feel when you have free time?
I feel calm and happy. Free time helps me feel more balanced in life.
I like that idea. Free time is not just about doing things, but also about resting.
Exactly. Sometimes doing nothing is the best thing to do.
I agree. Do you plan your free time or do you just relax?
I usually don't plan it too much. I like to decide what to do at the moment.
That sounds relaxing. I sometimes make small plans, but I don't like strict plans.
Yes, free time should feel free.
Very true. Do you think free time is important for learning English?
Yes, I do. In my free time, I listen to English podcasts or read simple English books.
That's a great idea. Learning can be fun when it's part of your free time.
Exactly. It doesn't feel like work.
Before we finish, let's practice some useful sentences about free time.
Good idea. You can say, in my free time, I like to...
Or you can ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
You can also say, I enjoy spending my free time.
These sentences are very helpful in daily conversations.
Yes, people often talk about free time when they want to know each other better.
Thanks for listening to our podcast today.
We hope this episode helps you speak more naturally.
See you next time.
Bye.